Good morning, children. Now, let's discuss the writing part for the exam. This time, you need to study a letter. So, I will discuss two letters here, and you study both, and you can expect one letter from this. Okay. So, let's start with our first letter. You will be given a question. So, let's see the question. What is the question? And you can see the question here. This one is the question. So let's see. Assuming yourself a resident of this colony, write a letter to the chairman, Delhi Jal Board, on the problem related to scarcity of water. Also, give a few suggestions. You are Sresht or Srishti of E47, Sangam Vihar, New Delhi. When you write the letter, first you study the question. That means you need not by heart, just go through the question twice or thrice. So, what is the subject of this question? That is, you need to write a letter to the chairman of Delhi Jal Board about the problem related to scarcity of water in the colony. There is only little water there in the colony, so you need to say that problem to whom? To the chairman of Delhi Jal Board. And who are writing the letter? Sresht. Suppose you have to imagine yourself as Sresht or Srishti. That is, these two names are given in the question. So you have to opt only those two names. Either you write Sresht, otherwise Srishti. And address also, your address also given there, E47 Sangam Vihar, New Delhi. So everything is there in the question. So in order, first you say the problem, then you have to give some suggestions also. So let's see how to write. When you write a letter, first you think of the margin. So near left side, near the left margin, you have to start writing. So first you write the from address here. This is the from address. This one. First you write your address, that is E47, Sangam Vihar, and next line you write the name of the place, New Delhi. That is the address of yours. That is the address given in the question. So just write that address only. Okay. After that, next line, you should write the date. This is the date. How will you write? 5th June, 2011. So, if you are writing it on 28 January 2021, then you write that date. That is, because no date is given here in the question, so you can write that the date according to your choice. Okay. So, example is 5th June, 2011. That is the date. And next line, you should write the to address. This one. This is the to address. To whom are you writing this letter? To the chairman. So you have to add the also here. Okay. To the chairman. His address is Jal Board, New Delhi. The chairman, Delhi Jal Board, New Delhi. That is the to address. You are sending the letter to whom? The chairman, Delhi Jal Board, New Delhi. So that is the to address. So when you write a letter, what all things you should write first? First you have to write your address. That is from address. Next line you should write the date, and next line you should write the to address, to whom you are writing the letter. After that, you write the subject. What is the subject given here in the question? Scarcity of water. Or you can write another, write this way also, water problem in Sangam Vihar. So first you write subject, then colon. Subject, put after that put colon. Colon means 2 dots. Then you should write water problem in Sangam Vihar. And next line you should write dear sir or sir, respected sir. So you should write the salutation. This is the salutation, dear sir. And next line you have to write the matter. Write as a paragraph. So I will read for you. Dear sir, it is to bring to your kind notice the water problems of Sangam Vihar residents. The residents have been facing the problem of water scarcity for the last 1 month. Water is supplied to the residents only for 2 hours a day. This has caused a host of problems to them. As a result, office goers don't go to offices in time. Women are unable to cook food. Clothes don't get washed. Utensils do not get cleaned. Bathrooms and toilets have started rotting. It is really very pathetic to see old men and women getting water from tankers on paying much money. Due to this, the problem have grown manifold. Next paragraph. If there is any problem at the jail board level, the same should be notified to the residents of this colony. I suggest that in the absence of proper and timely water supply, jail board tankers should supply water. The timings must be notified beforehand. There must be a regular water supply to this colony at the earliest. Kindly look into the matter and do the needful. So we stopped the matter of the letter. So next line you should write this one, yours faithfully. Here when you write yours faithfully, write Y capital, and after faithfully don't put comma. Yours faithfully, that is enough. Next one, and next line you should write Sresht, either Sresht or Srishti. You write only one name, okay, Sresht or Srishti. And I forgot to say, when you write yours, don't put apostrophe s. YOURS, that's enough. FAITH FULLY. Yours faithfully or yours sincerely. You can use that kind of words. So this is about the letter. Let's see the next letter. The question is this one. This one is the question. So let's see. You are Dolly, a resident of 39/25 Jodo Vihar, Cochin. Write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper telling how you organized a blood donation camp in your school. So, who is writing the letter? Yeah, Dolly. Dolly is writing the letter. And what is her address? 39/25 Jodo Vihar, Cochin. To whom did she write the letter? To the editor of a newspaper. Then what's the subject of the letter? Organizing a blood donation camp in the school. So let's see how to write the letter. I told you should write the letter with from address. That means your address. So here the from address is 39/25, Jodo Vihar, and next line Cochin. So that's the from address. And next line you should write 25 February, 2011. I told you if there is no special date is given, you should write date of your choice. And next line you should write the to address, to whom you are writing the letter. To whom? Yeah, to the editor. So the editor, Cochin Times, Cochin. That's a local newspaper. So you can write any address there. Okay, it's not given there. So you have to write any address. First you have to write the editor, then write the address of the newspaper. And next line, you can include subject also. After from address you can include, after to address you can include subject also. It is not given in this answer, but you have to write subject. What is the subject? Subject is organizing a blood donation camp in the school. So after to address you can write subject. Then you can write the salutation, sir, or dear sir, or respected sir. Okay. Next one, you should write the matter. Let's say the matter. I feel pleasure in writing that we organized a blood donation camp in our school. It was organized with the guidance of the principal and teaching staff. It was held on 20th February 2011 in the school hall. 20 students were motivated to donate blood. On the fixed date, a doctor's team from the civil hospital arrived with the equipment. The donors were examined of their fitness before donating blood. First of all, our school DPE donated the blood. Then, our senior students donated it. The donors told that they didn't feel any sort of weakness after donating the blood. They were given grapes and milk by the principal. A certificate to this effect was also given. The entire operation was supervised by the principal and the teaching staff. I felt on the top of the world to have participated in this noble cause. Next line you should write, thanking you. Then next line, yours faithfully. Then name. Who is writing the letter? Yeah, Dolly. So write Dolly. So this is the model of the letter. Go through both models and study well. So write well. You should prepare well and write well, study well and do well. Best wishes.